guys, welcome back to Fluffy Scruffy YouTube channel. My name is MacDog, and today we are going to be making spooky slime. Don't worry, I'll tell you how to make it. So, what you will need to make this slime is clear glue. I am using Elmer's. Some eyeballs. I got these at the Dollar Tree. Some green food coloring. Some borax solution, which is the powdered borax y'all know as a laundry product. You mix it in with hot water and it activates your slime really nicely. And glitter of any, like glitter if you want any or something like that. I'm going to be adding maybe some black glitter, kind of Halloween-y, and then I'm going to be adding maybe in some green glitter. So yeah, let's get straight on into making the spooky slime. Fluffy Scruffy YouTube channel, woof, bark, bow wow dogs. Fluffy is a Scruffy.
Scruffy is a Fluffy.
Fluffy Scruffy YouTube channel. Spooky edition. I'm going to start by add as much clear glue as you want to slime. Yes, that should be enough for me. Woo! Okay. Next, you're going to want to add in your food coloring now before you activate it. Because if you add it in after you activate it, then it's like it gets all over your hands when you try to mix it in. So I'm going to add it in now. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna mix up 3 drops of food coloring and see how that turns out. This is a very spooky but pretty green. And next, same thing with glitter as the coloring. Although it does come off easier, I still want to add in my glitter now so it doesn't get all over my hands. That's so pretty, guys. Look at that. Okay, and I think I want to add a little bit of silver glitter. So, okay guys, so now we're at the point where you can activate it. So, with your borax, you're going to want to squirt in a little tiny bit at a time. And then mix it and repeat that process over and over again until you reach the consistency that you like. So we'll add in a little bit more, a little bit at a time, because remember, if you squirt it in all at once, you might put in too much. And if you put in too much, the slime is really stiff and not that stretchy. So you only put in a little bit at a time until you like the consistency and until it's not sticky anymore. Because we don't like sticky slimes now, do we? more now, but it's still really sticky to the touch. So we'll add in a little bit more of borax solution. Add in a little bit more. Sometimes making slime requires a lot of patience if you want it to be nice and good and stretchy. I think I'll add a little bit more before I take it out. Stage is called kneading. So you knead your slime till it is not sticky anymore, and you can continue adding activator. Okay, so let me move my statues for a second so that let me move my statues so I can take this out and play with it on the cabinet. See you in a bit. What? But that's not. Should I trust this? Well, the show must go on, so I guess I'll just be haunted by an evil slime now. Well, this is still sticky, guys. Wait. Turn on the lights. Darn ghost, moving everything around. Okay, now we can get on to our video. I mean, they annoy me so much sometimes, you know? Them ghosts be like, ooh. Alright guys, well now the ghosts are gone. I mean, I hope. But this slime is feeling a little bit sticky still. I mean, as you can see. So I am going to add in a little more borax and just kind of massage it around with my fingers. Mix it in real good. So see right now it's nice and stretchy, still sticky. So sometimes you wait a day and then it isn't sticky anymore, because if you add in too much activator, then it won't be stretchy. But if you don't add enough activator, then it's still sticky. So yeah, you just need to find the right balance between stickiness, stretchiness, and borax solution. So yeah, so this is still pretty sticky, but it's not really that stretchy. Like, it's stretchy, but like, if I added any more borax, it would get pretty hard. So, well, I'm gonna try just a little bit more and see if that helps at all. Another thing that helps, like, if you don't mind it too much, you can just put some, like, of the solution on your hands, and then whenever you touch the slime, it's not that sticky. Wow, so that little drop helped it like a lot, and yeah, it's really, yeah, it's still stretchy and it's not sticky anymore. And by the way, guys, the bubbles, they will go away in a couple days. Yeah, because whenever you play with the slime, all the air gets trapped in there, and then it creates little tiny bubbles. And then, but after a few days, if you don't play with it for maybe a couple, like 1 or 2 days, then all the bubbles go away, and then you can see whatever is inside it really well. So, now comes the part you've all been waiting for. The eyeballs. So, I just got these at the Dollar Tree. Let's see. These cute little eyeballs. Okay, well, I guess let's add more. Oh my gosh, guys, it happened again. I don't know who this ghost thinks they are. But seriously, I have hands. I can move these eyeballs on my own. Ugh. Well, I guess let's start mixing them in. I'm gonna take a couple out. That's right. I didn't need that many in, ghost. Okay, well, this is sticky again. Probably the stupid ghost again. Ugh. But this actually feels really weird. Like with all the eyeballs in there, it's like I don't know. I don't know. It feels really weird. Ugh. They're staring at me. Cool. This is so cool. It's Halloween slime. So with your guys' slime, add as many eyeballs as you want. Okay, so apparently ghosts can cook now, and they just asked me for a can opener, so yeah. Yeah, it's pretty strange. I don't know what's wrong with my house, but ghost problem here, I guess. What's the Ghostbusters number again? I forgot. It was like, I don't know. It was like 2, 5, 6, I don't know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy every second of it. Please like and subscribe, and time to move on to the cute little Scruffy clips. And ciao. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Here's my little Scruffy dog. Aw, there's Pilot. Scruffy! Okay guys, so I have no idea what was going on with the ghost today. Maybe it's because I was making Halloween slime. Oh, that makes sense. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that's why they came out. Cause it's almost Halloween. And yeah, please leave in the comments down below what you're gonna be for Halloween. And also, I'll leave some pictures of what I'm gonna be, my costume. I'm like a cool little magical raven person. So yeah. And also, please comment down below what video you would want me to do next, because I don't know, I just want to know what you guys want to see. I have a couple ideas in mind, but I want to know what you guys would like to hear or watch or see. And yeah. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these cool little videos that I've been doing. Thank you so much for watching, and I've said that a lot. Alright. Goodbye! Happy Halloween!